welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a best turmeric DIY face mask that clear and glowing your skins and also removing your acne and pimple spots. So let's start. At first I take lemon and obviously I take turmeric because it's a turmeric DIY face mask and yogurt. So these three ingredients I need to make my DIY face mask. At first I take turmeric powder, half tablespoon. Then I take 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then I take 1 slice of lemon and it's 1 tablespoon of lemon. And now mix all these ingredients properly. When you apply this face mask, not this face mask, every face mask, just clean your face before applying any kind of face mask. After washing your face, then apply this face mask, DIY face mask on your face. You can also apply on your head, hand, leg, neck and face because there's no harmful, so you can easily apply on this area. When you apply this face mask, then leave it 15 to 20 minutes and after 15 and 20 minutes later, then wash with the cold water and remove this face mask. Alright, now I told you how much it's beneficial. Turmeric powder is an anti-aging power that removes your spots, acne spots, pimple spots and also get an instant glowing face. And yogurt has a helpful to remove your dark spots, blackheads, whiteheads, glowing skins also you have want, and also suntan problem that's removed easily because it has a lactic acid power and antibacterial antioxidants power that have included in yogurt. And last is lemon. Lemon helps to remove your dark spots and also spots that have on your skins and blackheads types problem and also gives a clear glowing skin. Friends, use this face mask 2 times in a week and any types of skin can easily use this DIY face mask. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.